In today's video, I got a little box here. So this box is about 12 inches long and about 1 inch wide. So I'm gonna show you guys what in here. So inside we got a little tube here. This is a metal tube, and we got some paper. So it's the instruction for assembling the kit. So I'm gonna assemble the kit and show you guys what it is. So to open the kit, you unscrew the cap right here. There's a cap and everything is in here. So I'm gonna follow the instruction and install the kit. I'll let you guys know how long it will take. So the installing process is pretty quick. It take about 1 or 2 minutes to assemble a kit. So you set everything up and then you tighten this to screw on the end. You tighten this up. So that's it. You got yourself a portable grill kit. So this is the Salago Grill Kit, and it's not very sturdy, but they say it can load up to 5 kilograms and can withstand a temperature of 600 degrees. So this is a portable grill kit. I guess it's good for like grilling meat and stuff like that. So the length is about 12 inches and this width is about 9 inches. So I'm gonna put a pot of water on it, see how this would stand. So I got a pot with some water on it, and I guess it's not that sturdy, but it can hold a pot of water. So now I'm going to disassemble it. Unscrew the two on the end. You pull it out and you pull everything out. So to disassemble and assemble the kit only take about a minute or two, so it's pretty quick. and so everything can go back in here. Okay guys, finally I got everything inside, and just cap this up. Like that. And you got yourself a portable grill kit to carry around. It's portable, it's convenient. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.